So next topic, which is graphs. I told, right, some variables we are studying in kinematics. What are the variables? Distance, displacement, speed, velocity, acceleration. Uske baad we are studying the graphs. Okay. Uh, Now graphs mein we are learning different types of graphs. One of the graph is displacement time graph. So we have to know, when the displacement time graph is given, how to find velocity. Like how to find velocity from the graph, we have to know. That is the important thing, because they'll give the displacement time graph. They will tell you to draw the velocity time graph. Options will be given to you. So we have to know what to find, what not to find. Okay. So keep reading displacement time graph. This is displacement time. Okay. We have to know about slope. What is meaning of slope means? Tell me. Slope means?
x2 minus x1 divided by y2 minus.
Actually, no. You tell me, Ananya. Slope means?
I don't know.
No idea. Okay. देखो, understand carefully. From x-axis say, how much angle the line is there? How much angle the line is there? Uska tan theta is called slope. Uska tan theta is called slope. So some x-axis say how much angle the line is there. That angle ka tan theta is called slope. And slope formula is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for slope. Change in y by change in x. Here y-axis mein what is there? Y-axis mein displacement is there. So instead of y2 minus y1, I can write like this: s2 minus s1 by x-axis mein which variable is there? Time is there. t2 minus t1. And I call this as delta. Delta is nothing but change in displacement by change in time. And what is displacement by time? It's called as what? Rate of change of displacement is called as what? Anything? Velocity. So that is giving velocity. Matlab, what we can conclude? Tell me. What we can conclude?
Hello.
That slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. Right down.
Hello, sir.
Slope
Can you hear
of
me?
I can hear. Can you hear me? Can you able to
Yeah,
hear?
sir. The thing is breaking. For some
Okay.
reason. Yeah.
Okay. So till here understood. Slope means understood, right, Ananya?
Oh,
X-axis
yeah,
say
sir.
how
I
much.
understood. I understood the whole thing. I
Okay,
understood the velocity.
copy down. Slope of displacement time graph gives velocity. Copy down. So whenever he's talking about slope, displacement time graph, if we want velocity, you have to find slope. Slope of slope, formula is what? y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Copied?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. Chalo. Now suppose मान लो, I'll give the displacement time graph. Okay. O, A, B, C. Okay. So iska coordinates are given to you. 2 seconds, 4 seconds. Iska coordinates are 10. Okay. I want iska coordinates are 6. मतलब it is x-axis में y will be 0, right? 4, 0, 2, 0, 6, 0. This thing. He is telling to find displacement in OA, displacement in AB, displacement in BC. How much? Sorry, velocity. Not displacement. Velocity in AOA, OB, and OC. So whenever graph is given, you should be very careful which graph is given. You check always. So it is displacement time graph is given. So how to find velocity? of each region, we have to find what? Slope. Slope we have to find. Find square of slope. This is 0, 0. इसका coordinates are x is 2, 10. Now find slope. x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. OA, how much you got?
5.
Yes, good. So 10 minus 0 by x2 minus x1. 2 minus 0. So 10 by 2 is 5 meters per second. We'll find AB and BC. How much, Hanik? AB and BC?
So 0 and minus 2.5.
0 minus 2.5. आया सेम कुछ सेम आया आपको?
Yeah.
Okay. Answers बोले तो I can know stuck हो गया नहीं तो दे रहा होगा because I can't see right this
Yeah.
way. Now here you have to understand one small thing. OA, I'm talking about OA. Iska if I draw, if I want to see the slope, x-axis say I want to see the angle. This angle. This angle theta is less than 90 or greater than 90. This angle theta.
Less than.
Theta is less than 90. Matlab slope is theta is less than 90 means the value, the slope value, you got positive or negative? Plus 5, right? So positive you get. Okay. So from this you have to understand that whenever angle is less than 90, slope is positive. This is slope. Slope is positive. Okay. Here slope is velocity, that's why positive. And horizontal line का slope is how much?
0.
Line. Yes. अनिक आप भी बोल सकते हो क्यों नहीं?
Yes, sir.
नहीं बोलने का कुछ आंसर बोलो अच्छे से.
0.
And here if you see x-axis say angle, if you see it is greater than 90, less than 90 theta.
Greater than
Greater.
Theta is greater than 90. If theta is greater than 90, the slope is negative or positive? Negative. So slope is negative. So आपको वो अंडरस्टैंड होने का स्लोप के बारे में each and every, if I given a graph, you should able to tell what about velocity by seeing the slope. Copy down. Slope always check theta check करने का theta greater than 90 or less than 90 based on that only we should say velocity. If theta is less than 90 means velocity here in this case means positive. बोल के बोलने का. Done. चलो.
Yeah.
Now I'll give the Any doubt?
Nothing.
Nothing.
No,
Okay.
no.
Okay. Chalo. Now I will give the graphs. You tell me what you can conclude. So first of all, you understood whenever displacement time graph is given, you should tell about slope. Slope learn किया तो velocity के बारे में we learned. That's it. Simple. Okay. चलो. You tell this is a position time graph is given. Okay. Can you comment about velocity? Tell me, Ananya. Comment on velocity. Velocity is about what? Slope you have to find and tell me velocity is how much.
Won't it be 0 because it's
Yes.
horizontal?
Because slope is 0 horizontal. Slope is 0 means here position time graph ka slope is nothing but velocity, right? Velocity is 0. But velocity is 0 means the body is at which position?
Rest.
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 body is at rest. Okay. Now tell me, Anik, comment on velocity. Velocity is increasing or decreasing or everything you tell.
Increase.
Huh?
Increasing.
Okay, you tell me. Anik. Velocity is increasing or
It's
decreasing?
increasing.
Increasing. Okay. Both of them wrong. Okay. See, listen. What see, don't see the graph like this is a position time graph, velocity time graph nahi hai. Position time graph. I want to know about velocity. Velocity ke liye what we have to find? Slope we have to find always. See, that graph is displacement time graph. We cannot tell about velocity. Only if I find slope, then only the slope will decide the velocity. Now we are trying to find slope. Dekho, if you see carefully, x-axis say angle theta. This is theta. Okay. Now again I'm drawing x-axis. Again the theta is here. Again I'm drawing x-axis. The theta is here. Theta is constant or varying?
Constant.
Constant.
Theta is constant. Slope is constant. Slope is
Yes.
constant means velocity is constant. See, it will
Oh,
increasing. So here velocity is constant. मतलब body is moving with constant speed. सो आपको पूरा स्लोप के बारे में टीटा के बारे में पकड़ो, टीटा के कैसा इंक्रीज हो रहा है आपको ड्रॉ करना पड़ेगा. ओके, चलो
Yeah.
नेक्स्ट. नाउ टेल मी, थिंक एंड टेल, comment on velocity and comment on acceleration also. This is a graph. I saw exponentially increasing graph given. So how to find, this is a displacement time graph. Position means nothing but displacement time graph.
sir, velocity is increasing
Velocity is increasing. Why?
because at every point the theta is increasing.
Okay, you
The
tell me.
value of tan theta.
Okay,
Oh, I'm not sure.
okay, देखो. To find velocity, what we have to do, Ananya, tell me?
We have to find the slope.
Slope. Okay. Now देखो, this is a variable graph, constant graph नहीं है. Suppose I want to find at this point में slope. So what you do? You draw a tangent that cuts the x-axis. This is nothing but theta. Theta 1. Okay. Now
Okay.
suppose I want to find the slope of this point. What you do? You draw a tangent. Tangent means which should cut at one point, right? The line
Yeah.
which cuts at one point. X-axis. Here, theta 2. Whether theta goes on increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Theta 2 is greater than theta 1. Since theta is increasing, slope is increasing, that means velocity is increasing. If velocity is increasing, can you tell me acceleration should be positive or negative?
Positive.
Very good.
Positive.
Positive. Acceleration means वो कितना every second कितना speed में भाग रहा है, how much speed the vehicle is moving. Okay, that is called acceleration. So since velocity is increasing, the acceleration is positive. So always theta and variable graph का theta how to draw? You draw a tangent. चिक चिक बोल के tangent draw करो. That tangent से x-axis से check करो how much angle increasing or decreasing. Okay, next. Tell me.
Here it will be decreasing
Why?
because theta keeps decreasing.
How? Explain. Theta क्यों decrease
You
हो रहा है?
draw a tangent.
Okay, I am
So,
drawing tangent. This one, which is 1 point, right? I'll draw
yeah,
tangent which cuts x-axis. This is theta 1.
yeah,
This point I'm drawing. This is theta 2. So theta 1
is
is
greater than
greater
theta 2.
than theta 2. So that means theta is decreasing. That means slope is decreasing, मतलब velocity is decreasing. If velocity is decreasing, acceleration क्या होगा?
Negative.
Negative. And negative acceleration को we call as
Deceleration.
retardation. Okay, copy down.
It's also deceleration, right?
Deceleration. Yeah,
Yeah.
copy down.
Yes, we're done.
Kabida, Anik? Okay, chalo. Some more. So position time graph ko if you learn correctly, velocity time graph will be easy, acceleration time graph will be easy. इसका न्यूमेरिकल्स करने वाला है, understand? Okay. Now tell me, comment on velocity is positive or negative or क्या है? Comment on velocity. Is a position time graph. Whether velocity is positive or negative, that's it.
It's negative.
Negative. Why?
Theta is greater than 90.
Very good, super. Theta is greater than 90. The velocity is negative. Now tell me. इसके बारे में बोलो. ये आगे तो ये पूरा आ गया आपको. Particle का graph position time graph is given to you. You tell me what you can conclude from that. Nanik bolo.
Sir, velocity is first positive, then negative.
Why? Positive, negative. No, wrong. ये एग्जाम में आएगा एक ग्राफ का. Any conclusions? देखो, position time graph is given, right? So if you see carefully, at one time, suppose this time में, the particle position is here also. The particle position, same particle position is here also, which is not possible. ए भगवान थोड़ी ना है. One place में two जगह में रहे तो कैसा? In one instant में एक 1 second में इधर इधर रहेगा नहीं, not possible. So this graph is not possible. एग्जाम में लिखने का नॉट पॉसिबल दिस ग्राफ, एग्जाम में आएगा डिस्कस. नेक्स्ट इसके बारे में बोलो, इधर क्या होगा, इधर क्या होगा, इधर क्या होगा ऑन वेलोसिटी का. I can call OA and AB. I comment on velocity each section में. अरे बोलो.
First increasing,
Okay.
then zero,
Okay.
then decreasing.
Okay, you tell me. Okay.
Isn't it the opposite? First
Decreasing,
it's decreasing,
zero,
then
increase.
it's
Yes.
increasing.
अभी देखा ना अनन्या जी, अनिक देखो जी.
Yeah.
Understood, right? Yeah.
Understand.
Copy, right? Okay. So you have to understand this all graphs का, then only you can see the options and we can calculate. एक shortcut बोलूंगा. When displacement time graph में, if the given like this, suppose U shape में रहेगा, U shape में. Okay. This is called concave upwards. ऐसा ग्राफ आ गया तो ऐसा ग्राफ है, मतलब इसमें पार्ट भी हो सकते हैं. देखो ऐसा भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है. These all are concave upwards only. That part also, if the given also concave upwards. In this case में velocity, what about velocity, what about speed, acceleration, we'll see. In this case में you have to understand this is called concave upwards, right? In concave upwards में acceleration is positive. Acceleration directly, whenever you see this graph, we should tell it is acceleration is positive in this graph. Okay. And you tell me if like this is there means acceleration क्या होगा? This is called concave downwards.
Negative.
Concave downwards में acceleration क्या होगा? Negative. This is called concave downwards. ये shortcut learn कर लो. And whenever speed, velocity and acceleration having same sign, what will happen to the speed? Speed will increase or decrease if velocity and acceleration are in the same direction. speed will
Increase.
increase. Here, when velocity and acceleration opposite sign,
Decrease.
speed
Decrease.
decreases. Speed decreases. लिख लो. This all will help you for you to identify the graphs. Okay, I'll give a question. Tell me. Displacement time graph is given to you. I said, yeah. I want about acceleration, velocity. I want about speed also. Acceleration is positive, negative. This is a part of concave upwards or concave downwards, sir? This part.
Concave upwards.
Concave upwards, right? Concave upwards
Yeah.
mein acceleration is positive, negative.
Positive.
Positive. Now tell me about velocity. Who will tell? Matlab, velocity is negative or positive?
Negative.
Why?
It's in the fourth quadrant.
No. This is a displacement
Third
time graph.
quadrant.
We cannot see the graph. Thoda one step forward you have to go. Slope. Slope you have to find. So you draw a tangent and check theta. Theta is greater than 90, less than 90. Theta is
Greater
greater
than
than 90. If greater than 90, velocity is positive, negative.
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 Now, if both are in opposite direction, speed will increase or decrease?
Decrease.
Decrease.
These all options में आपको मिलेगा. वो match होना characteristics वाला is the answer. Okay.
Yeah.
Copy down. Now I'll give you displacement time graph ka. You draw the velocity time graph. I'll give options. You tell me answer. Okay, iska. So if you know these characteristics, then you can able to easily identify the option. Copy it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sure. First of all, tell me velocity का, acceleration का, and speed का. I'll give options. ठीक है, try करो. This is a velocity time graph is given. I have given displacement time graph. From this, you have to draw velocity time graph. Which one is right? A or B? Which one is right? So first know about velocity. How to find velocity when displacement time graph is given? You draw a tangent that cuts the x-axis. The theta check karo. Theta is greater than 90, less than 90.
Less than 90.
Less than
Less
90,
than
velocity is positive, negative.
Positive.
Positive.
Positive means above the principal axis, right? मतलब
Yeah,
x-axis. खत्म.
B.
सिंपल है, मतलब वो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स पकड़ो, देन आपको समझ में आएगा. एंड ईयर कौन के अपवर्ड्स है, एक्सेलरेशन इज पॉजिटिव एंड वेलोसिटी इज पॉजिटिव, सो स्पीड विल इंक्रीज.
Increases.
यस. चलो, नाउ आई विल गिव द क्वेश्चंस, ट्राई. हो गया? देन so we are learning the graphs. The two first graph is displacement time graph. How to find velocity? Simply finding the slope only. वो slope find करने से we can find the velocity. Okay. And formula is y2 when the coordinates are given to you, y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 is the formula. We tell the options which one is right, and then I'll position time graph are given to you. Position and time coordinates are given to you. Which of the following describes the motion correctly? So by seeing the data, you should tell what type of motion the particle is doing. So what they given, displacement and time graph, मतलब उसका coordinates are given. We have to find whether it is a uniformly accelerated or decelerated or वगैरह वगैरह we have to find. Try. Method समझ में आया अनन्या? What to do?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Is it non-uniform accelerated?
वही थोड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है, अजीब से अच्छा लग रहा है उसमें नॉन यूनिफॉर्म बोले तो.
No, because it's not uniform.
वही.
The numbers don't match up.
You want fancy numbers, huh? To
No.
uniform? How to find velocity? This is what graph they given? Tell me. What data they given?
Position
Displacement and time. So how to find velocity के बारे में learn करने के लिए what to do?
We
We have
have
to find
to
the slope.
calculate the slope.
Slope find करो. देखो this is the displacement initial position, final position. So V1 find करेंगे. What is formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So this is y-axis, this is x-axis, right? So y2 minus y1. So 0 minus of minus 2 by x2 minus x1 is 1 minus 0. So how much that is? 2 by 1, 2 velocity. Now v2 find करेंगे. Again second time में y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 6 by 2 is 3 meters per second. And v3?
Sir, no, it will be 6. 2 minus 1 is 1.
2 minus 1 is, oh sorry. So 6. Okay, next. V3 tell me. 16 minus 6. So 10 by?
10 minus 1, so it's 10 meters per second.
Now tell me, the velocity is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
It's accelerated and it's
Ah.
not uniform.
Yes, uniform
Yeah.
motion. So accelerated रहेगा, uniform motion रहेगा. So we should see the data and we have to analyze. Okay, and we have to find slope. Okay, चलो. मतलब क्वेश्चन लिखने की जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट शॉर्ट फॉर्म में राइट डाउन.
Yeah.
Next. Which of the following represents the uniform motion? He has given graphs. पक्का check कर लो what graph they given. Displacement time graph only they given. He is telling which of the following is uniform motion.
A.
Yours, Samik?
Sure, 1 minute.
हाँ try करो.
Sure, A only.
Okay. Understood, right? Why? It is slope is constant.
Yes.
Slope is constant means uniform is uniform motion, right?
Uniform motion.
Theta, constant. That's why uniform motion. Find करो. Displacement time graph of two particles A and B are straight lines inclined at 30 degrees. So displacement time graph में two graphs are given. One is 30 degrees, one is 60 degrees. He is telling to find the ratio of velocity A and B. This is V. This is SA, SA and SB. और A and B मान लो. A particle का displacement time graph is like this, And B particle ka displacement time graph is like this. He's asking what is the velocity of A by velocity of B.
1:3.
देखेंगे.
Sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1:3.
We will see later.
Oh,
Let
yeah.
him. Okay. Like displacement time graph is given. We have to find velocity.
Oh, 1:3.
Why?
Because of like tan theta you have to take.
Tan 30 by slope, right? Tan. I told you that's why tan theta is nothing but slope. Tan 60. खत्म. डिवाइड किया तो आपको 1:3 is answer. The diagram shows a displacement time graph. Straight line. The average velocity of the interval 0 to 5 seconds. 0 to 5 seconds में he's asking total average velocity is how much. He's asking average velocity is how much. Average velocity formula मालूम है ना? Average velocity का formula is total displacement by total time taken.
So then won't it just be 4
Why?
meters per second?
This is 4 seconds, right? Time is this. This is 2 second, 4 second, 5 second.
No, then won't it just be like 20/5?
टोटल मतलब वो पार्टिकल उतना ही 20 तक जाके आ गया 8 के टोटल डिस्प्लेसमेंट 20 only. It also went here somewhere, right? From here to here you're telling 20.
Oh, so
Okay.
it will be -10/5, so -2.
I don't know. -10/5. Why?
Because displacement.
On displacement is from initial position and final position, right? So -10/2 is nothing but -2. -10/5, right?
Yeah.
-2. Yes.
Yeah.
Correct.
The displacement is 0 and then it traveled -10.
See, actually क्या है, whenever displacement vector quantity, right? So from if I want to add all the displacement, suppose मान लो suppose ये -10 देखो final displacement initial point and final point if it join -10 आएगा. How we got, we see here how much displacement from here to here 20. Now from here to here downwards it is going, it is -20. And from here to here how much displacement it went? -10. So it is by total time taken is 5. So like this also if we do also it is -2. Okay. Or the shortest distance from initial position to final position. आपका रास्ते पर depend नहीं होगा. Okay. A particle shows the distance time graph. Okay. The maximum instantaneous velocity at the particle around the point. I want a maximum instantaneous velocity.
So C.
Again, she was done. Maximum velocity I want. At which point the velocity is maximum. The graph is distance time graph is given. Video stuck nahi hua na? Which one option?
Sir, I don't know instantaneous velocity. We didn't do it.
Yeah, we should know. But at point velocities I'm talking about. How, first of all, which graph is given?
Distance time.
Okay, how to find velocity or speed? We have to find what?
Uh,
Slope. Slope find.
yeah.
For point slope, how to find? Draw a tangent which cuts the x-axis. The theta check karo. More the theta, the maximum velocity it is.
Okay.
So which one? Because suppose this example is B is there. If I draw a tangent, this is theta. Similarly, if this point, if I draw a tangent, this is theta 2. And this one, if we draw a tangent, this is theta 3. Now, which one is more? At which point mate is more? This
C.
C. Answer is C. This only point velocity, nothing but incidence velocity.
Okay.
Next, now try. I want the incidence velocity of particle at negative. Matlab, displacement time graph is given. Velocity negative is at which point is asking?
Sir, point A.
Point A na.
E.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, let her do.
Yeah, E only.
Yes. So if I draw a tangent, the tangent is greater than 90. Greater than 90 means this point is negative point. Yes. Understood?
Yeah.
So displacement time graph is easy. Now we'll go for a velocity time graph. Same thing. Displacement time graph aa gaya to velocity time graph is same way. So you tell me velocity time graph is given to you. I am trying to find slope of this graph. So theta x-axis set that line ko theta we call, and tan theta is called slope, right? Slope. And tan theta ka formula we learned y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Y-axis mein what is there? Y-axis mein velocity is there. v2 minus v1 by x-axis mein time is there. t2 minus t1. What is change in velocity by time is called as?
Acceleration.
Acceleration.
This is acceleration. Matlab what we can conclude? Slope of velocity time graph gives acceleration. This is acceleration. Okay. So this is one thing. Next, suppose मान लो I want velocity time graph is given to you. Velocity time. I want to find the area under the graph. How to find area? How to find area? This rectangle, right? How to find?
It's length into breadth.
Length is t into breadth is v. Some velocity, right? V. Some time t. So velocity into time is called as what? Area I'm
Area.
trying to find. Huh?
Yeah.
Well, what?
No, I'm agreeing.
That only what you're agreeing. Velocity in time is
Velocity into
called as
time is equal to area.
yeah.
No, velocity into time is equal to area.
Area only we are finding. Okay, that is equal to which quantity? Velocity into time is which quantity? Which physical quantity? Any physical quantity is there?
Isn't it
Suppose
just displacement? Because displacement by time is velocity.
kadam, displacement. Matlab what we can conclude? Area under velocity time graph gives displacement.
Displacement.
Okay, area under velocity time graph. लिख लो, write down. Gives displacement. So how to remember? Always remember this diagram. Displacement, velocity, acceleration. When displacement time is given, how to find velocity? We are finding slope. Slope is nothing but, I told you differentiation ds by dt. Okay. Now, when velocity time graph is given, how to find acceleration? देखो, velocity time graph is given, how to find acceleration? We are finding again slope. So when you're going forward, we have to find slope. When you're coming backwards, we have to find area. Backwards, area. So when velocity time graph is given, how to find displacement? Area under the graph. And when the acceleration आगे आने वाला है, when the acceleration time graph is given, how to find velocity? We have to find the area under the graph. So forward slope, backwards area. Okay?
Yeah.
Chalo. No. Suppose velocity time graph is given to you. O, A, B. 2, 4, 10. Okay. I want to find velocity, acceleration at OA and displacement at OA, acceleration at AB, displacement of AB is how much? So which graph is given? Check. Velocity time graph is given. How to find acceleration? We are going forward. Forward by slope. Find slope of this line. We'll get acceleration.
OA will be 5.
Okay, 5 meters per second square.
Yeah, meters per second
Okay.
square. The displacement is 20 meters,
20 meters.
right?
No,
10
why?
into
20 till
10 into
area
2.
of a triangle, right?
Also, we have to take the triangle.
1 by
Because
2
1 by 2, right? So it is 10,
by
right?
10.
10.
Now similarly, AB find karo.
20.
Displacement?
20 and the displacement 0. No, displacement is
Ah,
20.
देखो,
The acceleration is 0.
slope acceleration is 0. Area
Displacement is
under the
20.
graph nothing but
20.
base into height, right? 2 into 10, 20. Understanding?
Yeah.
Now tell me, Ananya bolo, when displacement time graph is given, how to find velocity?
Displacement slope.
Okay, when velocity time graph is given, how to find acceleration?
Slope.
Okay, you tell me, Hanik, when velocity time graph is given, how to find displacement?
Area.
Area. Okay. Now graphs same way I'm giving. You tell me about the graph. Okay. This one you have to understand. One note understand karo. Velocity time graph is given like this, like this, like this. It went particle ka. Okay. Now I want to find distance and displacement. Okay. We have to find area, right? Area under the graph because velocity पीछे जा रहे हैं ना, backwards are going. Distance is a scalar quantity. That's why we have to simply add these areas. Okay, not bothering about below, above, ऐसा नहीं है. Distance is scalar quantity. Simply distance negative नहीं है, negative नहीं आएगा ना. So you have to write always positive. So distance sign करने के simply magnitude. What is meaning of magnitude means whatever the value, negative value also if you get also we have to write positive. So distance should be added. And displacement, coming to displacement, what we do? We have to put as per the sign. As per the sign we have to put. A2 is negative, we have to put negative. A1, A3 is positive means positive लगाने का. So that is important. So we have to put with sign when you find displacement. When you find distance, simply add the areas.
So graph we have to draw.
No, yeah, 1 meter. So that we can know which area is positive. Mains में वाले दो competitive exams में one question will be coming from the kinematics proper way में. सो डेप्थ में हैप्पीली को कॉपीड।
Yeah.
चलो नोट्स न्यू बुक लगा रहा, रफ बुक लगा रहा अनन्या।
Sir, I got new book.
ओके सो नाइसली कंटिन्यू द सेम टोटल बुक्स, एक ही बुक में लिखो, राइट डाउन वन बुक
Yeah.
ओनली। ओके नो टेल मी comment on acceleration।
Zero.
Acceleration 0 means velocity is huh?
Same.
Acceleration 0
Zero.
means velocity is 0 ना?
Zero.
अरे
Yeah,
Constant.
acceleration constant. If there is no acceleration, the body will go straightly आराम से. Why? See, suppose here
oh,
what
right, right, my bad.
I'm sure, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Next, comment on acceleration.
Constant.
Acceleration is constant because we are trying to find slope. Every point of theta is same, the slope is constant. The next one, this one. Acceleration is
Increasing.
yes. Comment on this one. Acceleration is
Decreasing.
decreasing, retardation. ये वाला, you tell me about acceleration is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive because
Positive.
theta is less than 90.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now we'll see about this numericals. Okay. Think and tell the answer.
Sir, air resistance not ignored.
Air resistance, what are you saying? During flight, air resistance is not ignored. Yeah. देखो ball is thrown vertical upwards, ऊपर throw किया. Which of the following plot represents the speed time graph during the time of flight if the air resistance is not included? Okay, chalo, no problem. So you tell
Will
me
it be B?
why?
I don't know, because it increases at first and then it remains constant.
When you're throwing the ball upwards, what will happen? It will increase or decrease?
Increase then decrease.
ओहो, आपको
No, isn't the other way?
बॉल
Like
में तो ऊपर
decrease.
थ्रोगे तो झुम बोल के बाद में डिक्रीज।
Decrease and
Uh,
increase.
like
हाँ
increase,
डिक्रीज।
decrease, and then increase.
ये सी यू आर थ्रोइंग विथ 5 meters per second, इट विल इंक्रीज 6 7 8 9 10, बाद
Yeah.
में स्लोली डिक्रीज 8 9 5। यार क्या है
So,
when you when you throwing ball 5 meters per second, 5 से स्टार्ट हुआ ना, 5 4 3 2 1 0, बाद में 1 2 3 4 5। ओके अगेन यू शुड नॉट इंक्रीज नहीं मत बोलो, it is goes
Yeah.
on decreasing.
decrease.
So the answer, the speed time graph will be first initial decrease होता जाएगा, speed decrease होगा बाद में increase होगा।
Yeah.
Okay, next. Now try. A train moves from one station to another in 2 hours of time. 2 hours में it went like this. Speed time graph. Which graph is given? Speed and time graph is given to you. You're asking maximum acceleration during the journey. Journey में acceleration I want. Speed or velocity, दोनों same, no problem. But I want maximum acceleration of the journey. Which journey में maximum acceleration? A B या B C या C D या D या maximum?
AB.
नहीं, how to find acceleration? Tell me.
Slope.
Slope find करो. Y2 minus Y1. Coordinates are given, right?
Yeah.
Each slope you have to find and tell me which more slope, that is more acceleration.
Sir, is it 160?
Yeah, 160. Sir, you're on mute.
Okay, which section में more? 160 is okay. A B या B C या C D या D या
CD.
C D. So here maximum acceleration. So whenever graph is there, try to see which graph is there. Based on that, you have to find slope or area ना we have to know. Okay, चलो. One more question करेंगे हो जाएगा.
Sir, 160 is correct, no?
Yeah, 160 is right. Yeah, try करो. ये भी answer बोलो. The graph of displacement versus time graph is given to you. The corresponding velocity time graph is how much? This is displacement time graph. We have to find velocity time graph.
Sir, B.
Sir, it will be either B or D. I think it's B.
Sir, B.
B, yeah, okay. B, yeah, why?
Because velocity is first decreasing, then increasing, and
Uh,
it's not constant. So,
velocity first decreases,
Yeah.
yeah,
right?
Then increases.
But decreases wala, first of all, this is increasing or decreasing?
increasing.
Okay,
No,
then
oh, my bad.
here velocity is increasing or decreasing? Initial increasing.
Increase.
So,
Increasing.
nahin. Here velocity is increasing or decreasing?
Increasing.
Increasing.
Vale. Velocity decreasing. इधर क्या होगा? If I find a slope, it is velocity is zero, right? At this
Yeah.
point, में?
Yeah,
So zero. And बाद में it is decreasing, right? So decreasing. Theta check करो always.
yeah.
Okay. So no problem. इसका हम लोग next continue करने वाला है पूरा. इसका this one minute.